Hello, my name is Sandoval Vega and I'm going to show you diabetes chatbot. So right here I wrote, hey, and the chatbot responds, hello, how was your day? And then I wrote, my day was wonderful. And the chatbot say, that is wonderful. Have you checked your blood sugar level? So right now I'm going to write, yes, I have checked in on my blood sugar levels. That is good that you check on your blood sugar level. Was it high or low? So right now I'm going to write it is high. And the response to me, just take care with your diet and exercise will help you, which is kind of true if you maintain with the blood sugar and with a proper treatment. So right now I'm going to write an example. If a person doesn't want to take their prescription, their medication. So right here I'm going to write, I do not want to take my medication to control my blood sugar, and I am scared. And then just like respond to me, take your medication if you cannot maintain your target blood sugar level with diet and exercise. Your doctor may prescribe you diabetes medication that help lower insulin level or insulin therapy. On March 23, 2021 is an event. American Diabetes Alert Day is one day waking up call that focus on seriousness of diabetes and the importance of understanding your risk. So this is really important for people to know that about diabetes because there's a lot of people that have diabetes in their life, and also I would like them to know like it's okay to be scared. It's okay to to understand that your health go first than anything. So right now I'm going to write what is American diabetes. So it's going to respond me back. Okay, diabetes affect about 30.3 million American, or about 9.4% of the USA population. Other 84 million Americans have prediabetes, a condition in which blood glucose levels are higher than normal and not high enough by diagnosed as diabetes. So basically pre-diabetes is not diagnosed properly, I would say, but you can do with proper diet and proper exercise and try to get back with your health. So technically you're not diabetes, like diabetes 1 and diabetes 2. So diabetes 1 is just like a people that was born with it, and diabetes 2 is just like people that doesn't take care of themselves due the diet and exercise. So it is important to maintain your health. So right here I'm going to write bye, and bye, see you later, and we'll be here for you anytime. So people, the reason why I create this chatbot is because I feel like it's really important for everyone to chat with someone like a friend, or like a friend and a doctor at the same time, and would help society to to persuade them, like take your medicine, and also remind them check your blood sugar level. Just like helping doctor out there to understand their health, and would try to this chatbot would try to contribute with the patient. So that is why I create this chatbot. And thank you.